Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Plex app on your Fire TV. Now, to do this, go to the Find button right here and go down to Search. So on Search, you need to type in the name of the application we're looking to download. And for this tutorial, I'll be downloading the Plex application. So type in PLE and you see Plex right down in the suggested. Hit Plex and this is the Plex application. Clicking it once, you find this download button to the left. So if you click on OK, the download begins to quick, and after some seconds it begins to download. Just be patient and wait. Depending on your network speed, it will take from a couple of seconds to a few minutes. Now when this download is complete, your app will be automatically installed on your app library. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, share this video with somebody who needs a Plex app, and I'll see you in the next video.